Okay, now we'll be starting with activity 2.4. Moving on to the first question. So we have m1, m2 and m3 denotes the slope of a tangent of the curve represented by the function f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x at the point. So this corresponds to m1 and this corresponds to m2 and this point corresponds to m3. So which of the following options is true? So they are talking about comparison between the values of m1, m2 and m3. So we have to find out what is this m1, m2, m3. So if you notice in the equation of a tangent, so y is equal to f dash of a into x minus a plus c, sorry, plus f of a, right? So if you compare with the equation y is equal to mx plus c, the slope of this equation is nothing but the derivative of the function at that particular point, right? So we have to find out for m1 is equal to f dash of, what is this first one, we have minus 1, right? So this is nothing but what is f dash of x? F dash of x is nothing but x cube, so we have 3x square plus 3. So this is the f dash of x. If we substitute minus 1 here, we'll have 3 into minus 1 square plus 3, that is nothing but 6. What about m2? M2 we have f dash of 0, right? So if we substitute here, we'll have 3 as the answer. What about m3? M3 we have f dash of 1, so that is nothing but 3 into 1 square plus 3, that is nothing but 6 again. So now we have m1 is equal to m3 and it is greater than m2, right? This is the answer. Next question. What will be the equation of the tangent at the vertex of the parabola given by the equation y minus k is equal to a into a minus h whole square? So observe this, this is the equation of the parabola wherever the vertex is at h comma k, right? So let's say if this is our parabola, right? So this would be the vertex. So how would be the tangent look like? Tangent will be horizontal, right? So if this is our x-axis, the tangent will be always parallel to the x-axis. So let's say what will be the distance between the x-axis and this tangent? So that will be always be the y coordinate of this point, right? So this will be always k. So what is the equation of this tangent then? So that will be always y is equal to k. This is the answer. Now what will be the equation of the tangent at the point a comma a cube on a parabola given by the equation y is equal to ax square? So this is the function that they have given. The point is this one. So they are asking about the equation of the parabola. So equation of the parabola is given by f dash of a into x minus a plus f of a. So given that, what is f dash of a? F dash of a is nothing but a into f dash of x, simply saying y dash is be equal to 2a x. So if we substitute x as a, we'll have 2a square into x minus a plus f of a. F of a is again a into, if in place of x we have to write a, so that is nothing but a cube. So we'll have a cube here. Okay, on simplifying this, we'll have 2a square x minus 2a cube plus a cube. So again, if 2a square x minus a cube, so if we take a square as common, we'll have 2x minus a as the answer. So option 1. Moving on, uh, consider the function f defined in R to R such that f of x is equal to mx plus c. Which of the following expression represents the linear approximation of f at 0 comma f of 0? Okay, so linear approximation is given by, again, f dash of a into x minus a plus f of a at a, right? So here, what is a? A is equal to 0. So now while substituting, we can say that f dash of x is given by m, right? C is constant, it goes to 0. Differentiation of x is 1, m as it is. So we can write f dash of a is nothing but m into x minus a. A here is, okay, I'll keep a as it is, a plus f of a. F of a is nothing but m into, in place of x I'll write a, ma plus c. So here I can write ma plus c, right? So this is nothing but mx minus ma plus ma plus c. Minus ma and plus ma gets cancelled. What's remaining here is mx plus c. This is the answer. Next one, consider the function in R to R such that f of x is equal to e to the power of x sin x. Which of the following expression represents the linear approximation at x equal to pi by 2? Okay, so now linear approximation at x equal to pi by 2. So first we have to calculate what is f dash of x. F dash of x is nothing but we have to apply product rule. So differentiation of e to the power of x is e to the power of x sin x as it is, plus uh, e to the power of x as it is, and then differentiation of sin x is cos x. So again, if I, so now what will be f dash of a? A here is what? A is pi by 2, right? So e to the power pi by 2 into sine pi by 2 plus e to the power pi by 2 into cos pi by 2, right? So what is sine pi by 2 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0. So what's remaining here? E to the power pi by 2. This is f dash of a. Okay, so what is f of a now? F of a is given by e to the power pi by 2 into sine pi by 2, right? So that is nothing but e to the power pi by 2 again. Okay, so now apply the formula linear approximation at x, that is e to the power f dash of a, that is e to the power pi by 2, this value, into x minus a plus e to f of a. F of a is this value, that is e to the power pi by 2. So now here we'll have, if you multiply x e to the power pi by 2 minus a e to the power pi by 2 plus e to the power pi by 2. Okay, so now what is a? A is again pi by 2. So we have already said that. Let's substitute the value and simplify again. X e to the power pi by 2, and if I take e to the power pi by 2 as common, I'll have plus e to the power pi by 2 multiplied by 1 minus pi by 2. This is the answer. So this is nothing but option 1. Next one we have, let f be differentiable function at x equal to 1. The tangent line to the curve represented by the function f at the point 1 comma 0 passes through the point 5 comma 8. What will be the value of f dash of 1? Okay, so they're telling us the function f is differentiable at x equal to 1, right? So we can write the equation of tangent, right? So equation of tangent at x equal to 1. So this is nothing but y is equal to f dash of 1 into x minus 1 plus f of 1. So now they're telling us this tangent passes through the point 5 comma 8. So if we substitute 5 comma 8 as x and y, we'll the LHS and RHS will be equal, right? So we can substitute y is equal to 8 and x equal to 5 in this equation, right? So if we substitute this here, we'll have 8 is equal to f dash of 1 into x minus 1. X is nothing but 5. 5 minus 1 is 4 plus f of 1. Okay, what is f of 1? They are telling us there is a point 1 comma 0, right? Okay, so what is this one? So this is x, this is nothing but f of x, right? So here this is 1 and it is f of 1. So we know that f of 1 is what? F of 1 is 0. Okay, so now here we can say that f dash of 1 is nothing but f dash of 1 is given by 8 by 4, that is nothing but 2. Next one, suppose the tangent of the curve represented by the function f at the point 1 comma f of 1 is given by the equation. They have given us the equation of the tangent. What is the value of f of 1? Okay, so now we already know the equation of the tangent, y is equal to 3x plus 2, right? So this equation, this line passes through the point f of 1 comma f of 1. So if we substitute this as x and this as y, we'll have f of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 2. So that is nothing but 5. Next one. Using the linear approximation of f of x is equal to root x at x equal to 4, find the approximate value of root of 4.4, right? So now what is f of x? F of x is square root of x. What is f dash of x? F dash of x is given by 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so if there is some confusion, you can use the formula. Okay, next one. What is the formula for linear approximation? That is nothing but f dash of a into x minus a plus f of a. So we can say that here a is, we have to use x equal to 4, so we'll use a equal to 4 here. So we know that linear approximation is given by f dash of 4 into x minus 4 plus f of 4. Okay, so f dash of 4 is nothing but, what is f dash of 4? F dash of 4 is given by 1 by 2 into square root of 4, that is 1 by square root of 4 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, that is nothing but 1 by 4 into, what is x? We have to find out the approximate value of square root of 4.4. So here x will be equal to square root of not square root, only 4.4. okay, so 4.4 minus 4 plus f of 4. F of 4 is square root of 4, that is 2, right? So we'll have 1 by 4 into 0.4 plus 2, that is 0.1 plus 2, that is 2.1. This is the answer.